What?
Amy!
What?
Amy!
What? You know what? Fuck you. This is going on Facebook.
Yeah.
Face is going on Facebook.
I know, right? This is Amy's belly.
Leave my belly alone. What tub of
Amy's
iron?
cleavage. Patrick!
No. Cleavage.
Patrick!
Not looking at
Jesse! Jesse!
No.
Jesse! Oh, fail. Jesse! Yoo-hoo!
Did you say he?
Asian! What?
Did you say he was gonna be?
He's not.
No, I didn't. Get off my board.
No.
Yes.
Jesse, listen to people. Jesse.
I think you board.
I have your board.
Patrick, pass it! Pass it, Patrick! What the hell? Fucking stop. Don't swear. I don't care. It's made of plastic.
That's been my fucking board.
Don't use mine. Now say please. Say it nicely.
No.
Show your face.
No.
So you're not getting your board back.
My board.
Move your hand. Move both your hands. You look like a little kid.
No.
A shy little kid.
Ask me where my board.
Oh! Little kid's got anger issues. Ow! Oh! It didn't go over.
What are you trying to do?
Throw my board over the fence.
That's
Ah!
not Asian.
Dude, you're non-Asian.
Dumped.
Made him.
Jesse!
Made him. Guys, stop freaking fighting.
Cameron's eyeball. Cameron's nostril up its nose. Cameron looks like a piggy. Cameron's belly.
Stand right here.
Cameron's belly.
Do it.
Fully non-Asian though.
Cameron has hair on his belly.
Yes, I do.
Ah!
0% Asian.
What?
You're 0% Asian.
Cameron has hair on his belly. Do you have hair on your belly?
Like,
Camera's fat.
did I tell you that?
Do you have hair on your belly?
No.
Yes,
No.
you do.
Yes,
Do
but
you,
no.
do you have hair on your belly, Amy?
It's my belly. For me to know and you not to find out.